Hi everyone, good evening. This is Amit Chahar, and in this video, I will be talking about the three mistakes that people generally do while they are preparing for their NEET exam, or by the way, any exam. We are trying to do these mistakes, right? So I'll tell you the three stories, and in these three stories, you will get to know what I wanted to say, right? तो एक बंदा है and he is preparing for the NEET almost from whole year, and in the last 3 months are there in his hand. वो पढ़ता है, खूब अच्छे से पढ़ता है, पूरी थ्योरी पढ़ता है. He will read all the theory, each and every line he will read. He will go to exam, he will write the exam, he will come back home, and then he will see his marks are coming around 300, 350. So what is the reason? The reason is, although he is reading all the theory, everything he is reading, but the thing is, like, he is not doing the question practice, which is essential part of any MCQ based exam. So make sure whenever you are reading any chapter, any chapter, either it is biology, or chemistry or physics, make sure you are reading the you're doing the MCQ, which is very, very, very important in this, basically in the last 3 months. So divide your time 50-50. 50% give for your theory part, 50% give for your MCQ practice part. So story number two, there is one guy who is studying, and who is studying like anything, like every day he is studying. In these last 3 months or 2 months, every day he is studying around 16 hours, 17 hours. He is even doing the question practice as well. खूब सारे questions लगाता है. He will go to exam, he will write the exam nicely, and after coming he will see his score, and his score is around 500, 510, 520. So what the mistake that guy is doing? So the mistake is, although he is doing the theory part, he is doing the MCQ, but the two things are there. One is, when the thing is, like, whenever he is going to that exam hall, he is not able to bubble the question regarding that answer, right? So if suppose usne, although he has done 20 question, 30 question at a time, and then he will write, okay, 23A, 24B, 25B, 26C, 27D, and then suddenly he forgot to mark one question, and then whole the sequence of 20 question will go wrong. So make sure whenever you are marking your MCQs in the question paper, in your practice sets, you mark like five in the sequence of 5 or 3, like, okay, 53 if you have done, okay, mark 53. 54 you have done, mark 54. 55 you have done, mark 55. Second thing is the time management. Whenever you are going to any exam, first attempt that subject which is your strongest subject, so it will give you some kind of momentum, and that will be helpful in achieving the question which are like little difficult also. So you will be having that moment, and you will be having that charm in your mind, and then you will be easily able to do these questions. So this is story number 2. In story number 3, one guy is there who is doing the MCQ practice, who is doing the bubble filling at the home. So whenever he is doing the practice, he is even marking the bubble at home, and he is going to give the exam also. He is attending so many test series, he is doing so many MCQ questions. He is coming home, and he is seeing like his marks are around 550, and every time his marks are in that range only: 550, 540, 530, 550, 540, 530. Every single time he is doing this, his marks are in this same range only. Why? Although he is reading the theory part, he is doing the MCQ also, he is doing the bubbling part also, he know how to manage the time. Third important thing, which is, I think, according to me, is the most important, that will grab you your selection in your medical college, and that thing is post test assessment, post test analysis. So after giving your test, you come, sleep, take your time, then you take that paper out, you analyze which questions you made wrong, and by analyzing that question paper, you will get to know which all topics are weaker for you, which all topics are stronger for you, and in that topics which are weaker for you, in those topics you can invest your more time, and then you can get more and more question correct in your wrong I mean in your weaker areas. So this is the thing, these are the three mistakes. If you are doing any of these three, make sure you do correct them now also, now only, because time is less. Almost 100 days or 110 days are left from today, or maybe like that. So try to do almost 2 chapters for biology or like this. And those who are not able to get this MCQ, I'm taking almost everyday classes on the Unacademy. And on Unacademy, you can come and you can join my class. Its timing is around 7:30 to 8:30. Almost from I started from the chapter number 1, and I'm going till the uh, 12 till the end of all the chapters uh, of class 12th. Okay, so almost we are in the human physiology of class 11th, and after that we will go for the um, that class 12th. So these are the three mistakes. Make sure you are not doing. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye bye. And if you are having any doubt, you can comment down. I will reply. So keep studying. Time is there. You can still crack it. Bye bye.